In this video, we're going to Area 15 and checking out Meow Wolf and Omega Mart next on Jaycation. Hey, what's up, Jaycationers? Welcome back to another video here in the Las Vegas series. And today we are checking out a really fun, awesome place to explore. It's good for the kids, it's good for the adults. It's just really cool to check out. This is Omega Mart. This is Meow Wolf here at Area 15. And we're gonna tell you what this boop card is all about and exactly all the admission prices, how you can get in here, and explain, or try to explain, what Omega Mart / Meow Wolf is all about. All right, Jaycationers, so we just made it here into Meow Wolf at Omega Mart, and we got this boop card, which we're gonna use for like a scavenger hunt. And this is how we like basically join the team member here at Omega Mart. Yes, you walk in, we had our time tickets, they check your bags and everything, and then we can go to a bunch of different places outside of this grocery store. So I heard we can just check everything out. There's even buyable things at this grocery store that we can buy. So let's go check it out. You can check in your bag over here, and later on pick it up after. Let's get to the fun. Joining me is my cousin, Jaycation, Mr.
Back,
Sneaks and Stats.
Yes, sir.
Dude, check that out, bro.
This is cool, man. Look at it. It's one giant gummy, so you can see it in there.
And you can actually buy that.
It's $12.99. That's just one of the things we got here. We just started, man, so we're gonna check it all out. Ridiculous stress.
Punch it tightly to relieve stress. Ridiculous stress swan drink.
Oh, nice.
Please, no sampling or drinking in store. Yo, EJ, you a fan of broccoli?
I am. I want to get this broccoli pillow right here. Put it on my bed.
So this is the produce section. America's forgotten vegetable. What a trip. No chewing gum or doomed expedition. Can you imagine people checking your wallet and you're like, you gotta open it up.
Yep. It's a nice way for people not to steal your wallet as well.
Who's stealing avocado? Somebody that likes avocados.
Somebody that needs some blocks. So they have 8 different exits to go back into Area 15 from Meow Wolf. We're gonna try to get through all of them right now.
Check out the pinatas up top. All right, EJ, let's go. Whoa. Oh, look at this little cave-like place. All these cool lights. Where are we right now? This place is awesome. Look at this. This reminds me of Game of Thrones, where Theon Greyjoy's family lived, and his dad got pushed off a bridge. Dude, you're matching this room with that green hat.
No, and then the light, my shirt is luminescent.
It looks like a lot of mold.
It reminds me of Guardians of the Galaxy a little bit.
Some Quantum Leap stuff right there. There's Ziggy. I'm telling you guys, I can't describe what's going on here, but look at this. These are like deformed root beer bottles. And we're back out into Omega Mart.
It's cool though.
So we basically are back in Omega Mart. We found a way out. We're gonna go in through this camping tent real quick. Let's check it out.
We're like in a labyrinth right now, and we're just trying to figure it out.
Let's go, EJ. I almost called you Jello. What are those? Now we can go upstairs. Let's go.
That was awesome. Let's go upstairs.
This is awesome. It's almost like I was bumping into a mirror or something.
It's like I'm on Space.
Lights come from everywhere.
I think I'm on Space Mountain or something.
The way to get it, I just stop and stare.
I don't know if that's a mirror. We're gonna find out right now.
Okay, it's part mirror.
Okay, we're good.
It's part mirror.
Yeah. What is this now?
Wow, look at those. Look at those. I can't really explain what's going on here. It's just
I really don't know what to say.
enjoy. So it says, please boop to access. So you grab your boop card, which is right here. Let's see. Wait, how do I do that? Oh, welcome employee. Oh, you're hired. Welcome to Omega Mart. Trainee. This is your Omega Mart access card. Boop your card at Dram ports to access training. To unlock achievements. and rise through the ranks of the Dramily. Add content to your Dram Drive as you go and view it later by scanning your card's QR code. Now, go get to know Omega Mart. That's pretty cool. Crazy, EJ.
What's up?
This room's crazy.
We're in like the Fortress of Solitude right now. It's Superman's house. Looks like it.
This room's dope. This is your brain on sake.
Look at all the layers. Wow.
Bro, do you got some roast beef? I need some matching curtains.
Wow.
Justin Slimberling, man of the woods. I'm lost without you. So in the very corner of Omega Mart is a little bar. So if you want to take a break, have a couple sippy sips, and get the trip in a little more.
I was definitely have a drink or two and then walk around would be a great idea.
Nice little piece of grapefruit.
Ooh, awesome.
Bread. And
So I got Paloma that they have here. It has grapefruit juice. They infuse like some peppercorns that they turn into like a pink peppercorn that they, like a syrup that goes in here as well. Fantastic. Touched with a little grapefruit on top. And the bartender made it perfect. And he's a great guy. Amazing. I bought like 7 of these.
So I went and got the apple juice, and it's got a buzz button, and it kind of reminds you of the Bourbon drink over at the Cosmo. 2 apples are here, but be careful because it's a silicone cup, so you can squish it together and spill a lot of the vodka and apple liqueur, apple juice, rice milk, simple syrup, citrus, apple bottom bitters, and the buzz bottom. So sip into it. Bottoms up. And then what you do, that up into your mouth. Oh, that's messing with my palate. No, warhead. Oh wow, that really changes the taste.
Really?
Sour apple style. That's what's up. Apple juice, baby, let's go. Oh, that is awesome. And there's like sound coming out of these walls. What are those? Look at this. This is almost like some sort of Witcher villain right here. Super creepy. Check this out. These pipes look like water slides, but they're not water slides. Doesn't that look like a water park to you, but it's not?
Then there's like some weird ooze, alien ooze coming out.
Some ooze stuff. Looking good in that hard hat. Please, book for access, okay? Omega Mart employee. Cecilia is welcome now. Greetings, aspirants. Wow, cool. Wouldn't be Omega Mart without the Dram family. Get to know your fearless leaders by booping at one of the 2 red Dram ports closest to the Omega Mart entrance. Okay, we'll do that. And of course, you gotta stay sanitized.
Right.
So they have sanitized ports all over. This reminds me of you must whip it. So I was telling EJ here that this reminds me of being dropped into a video game that you don't understand, and you're just going through all the different levels and you're just trying to figure out exactly what's happening. And you do need some time to piece it together and figure out exactly what Omega Mart and Meow Wolf is. But there's lights, it's colorful, and there's just so many things to discover. We're not even like halfway through it.
Yeah, I was gonna say, we keep discovering things that we haven't seen yet, but yeah, it feels like we're in Super Metroid or like a weird Zelda level or something.
Yeah,
it's really
man.
crazy, man.
All your base belong to us. Who knows what game that is? Comment down below.
Down below, man.
Oh, we're back out to the market. We're in the meat section.
What can I get you?
Well,
How many pounds?
Speaking of meat.
Here's a beefcake right here.
Hey, man.
I like that beefcake.
It's pretty cool back here.
Try our romantic steak cakes.
Romantic steak cakes? More booping. This is not the t-shirt mart, EJ. What is this?
This is a t-shirt warehouse, bro. Guys, we don't know what's behind here. We're gonna check it out. Ready?
Ready, set, go.
Sorry.
More people. What is this? Suddenly we're in space. Hey, isn't that Screech's robot?
Yeah, what's his name again?
Check out all these file cabinets. Oni Stern. I think she's drinking boba. So what is this, dude? Go through this door. I don't even know where we're at anymore. Oh, that's that hallway. That's so dope.
This is insane, dude.
Does this remind you of a Trader Joe's break room?
Yes, it does. Ours is exactly like this.
What are those?
Whoa! Whoa!
EJ said he thinks that's Daft Punk right there. What's up? Who's that?
I tapped the number, but there's nothing on the other side. It's okay. Just there for decoration, I guess.
Just in case y'all need a restroom break, second floor, they have a restroom here, so make sure you take note of that. Having all that fun here. Alright, back in the market. Check out these aisles. Oh, we were in this aisle already.
Yeah.
Nice pillow. Emergency plan. Oh, that's actually pillows, bro.
Yeah, it's so cool.
Hey,
man.
Dositos. And over here in Omega Mart, they sell Campbell's meal substitute, not Campbell. All right, we're in the Pharma to Table area now. Let's see where we can enter here.
Found another little alley here.
Check it out.
Yeah, that was back into Omega Mart.
Whoa. Dark detergent. We achieved something with the boop. Beepity boppity boop.
Bada boopy. Bada boopy.
Bada bing bada boop.
If you guys are liking this video, like, comment, and subscribe. And now back to Meow. Come on, guys. We're in the dark depths of hell.
This translates to looking like the Lost Boys or something. The Lost Boys. All right, Jaycation, what did you think?
So we just finished up here. It was great. I feel like we hit everything, but I'm not too sure. This place is so huge that there's always something new that we kept finding. We're definitely gonna come back. It was really trippy, really random, but also really fun. A lot of stuff to figure out, almost like that scavenger hunt, like he was saying. But overall, it was a really fun experience. And then afterwards, you could have some drinks with some friends or family, whatever. And it was good. It was fun. I would definitely come back. So check it out.
Also, the ticket that we chose was, I think, $54, and it's a time ticket. So you can always go online. I'll link it down below in the description box. Make sure you check it out. Meow Wolf Omega Mart. Let's go. So the box office is here, but to make your life easier, check out that QR code and get your tickets online. All right, Jaycationers, so we just spent a couple of hours just roaming around the Omega Mart and Meow Wolf, and this place is amazing. There's just so many rooms and so many cool lights, displays, and things you can do here. I think this boop card, if I come back, I would do this boop card scavenger hunt, and I would understand it a little more. And you could basically spend like 3-4 hours here just doing this, but then you hit up that bar, and they have those amazing drinks. The apple juice definitely got me happy. You get that buzz button that gets your mouth all sour warheady. I really enjoyed it, and it's just an Instagram / video filming experience for me. So shout out to Meow Wolf, and please like, comment, and subscribe, and check out Las Vegas 777. Let's go. Comment down below if you want to see me do more of Area 15. We will try it out eventually. All right, guys, check out this video on family-friendly things to do in Vegas, and we'll see you in the next one. And in the words of Jaycation, stay traveling Las Vegas. Let's go.